Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey. On this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would be able to set the time. So say you want to set the time in your radio so you know what time it is as you drive. You're going to put this in the accessories, and when it's in the accessories the radio will come on. Now we have our radio lit up, and then we go in here to settings, and then we have different settings for our doors and locks. You know, the light settings, the clock. But if we can pick the clock, then we can adjust our time clock. There's also another way you can get into that, and that we can go into the more. This is going to give us our outside temperature, right? So we have our outside temperature. We can also tap the time there, and then we have the option to set. And we get to the same screen. You can have a 24-hour, 12-hour, and then just be able to adjust the time to the time that you would like it to be. Hit the done button, and that is how you would set your time. And then if you come back to radio, you have your time up at the top. That's how you set the time on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.